On May 5th, USCIS announced an update to their case processing tool to make it easier for immigrants to understand when their case will finish. The updated tool on their website now provides more accurate information about your specific form type, whereas before you could only search for wait times for a group of related forms. It also informs you when to make an inquiry if processing is taking too long. We're going to take a look at how you could use this new tool, what the new processing times mean for your case, and how to contact USCIS if your case is taking too long. And if you find this information helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and share my videos with those of your friends who you think this will help. If you'd like my help on your case, please call our office to schedule a case evaluation at 212-248-7907. This move is another step by USCIS to address the outstanding backlog of 9.5 million cases. Many immigrants are stuck for months or years as they wait for their case to be processed, resulting in them losing their jobs, driver's licenses, and sources of income, among other things. These new processing times reflect how long it took USCIS to complete 80% of each case type over the past 6 months, and will continue to improve as the agency speeds up their internal cycle time goals that were announced in March of 2022. The cycle times reflect how many months worth of pending cases for a particular form are awaiting a decision, and they are the internal metric USCIS is using to speed up processing and reduce the backlog. This is being done in addition to the premium processing and employment authorization changes we recently discussed on my channel. So, how should you use this processing time tool if you have a pending case with USCIS? The new interface now includes drop-down options for all form categories that will help you narrow results to only the processing time that is relevant to your case. These times will be updated monthly and are based on the agency's latest internal data. For example, if you want to check how long the wait time is for an I-130 for a permanent resident at the Nebraska Service Center, you are given a processing time of 5 months. This is still just an estimate, and actual times may take longer, so the tool also includes a field where you can enter your receipt date to get an immediate answer as to whether or not you should contact USCIS. If your case is still within normal processing times, then you will receive an estimated date for when you can follow up. If it is beyond the typical time to complete 93% of adjudicated cases, then USCIS will provide you with a link to contact them. You can find all of the information you need to find and use the new processing time tool on your receipt notice or application. So how is this new tool being received by the immigrant community? Shortly after USCIS posted the announcements on their Twitter account, they were bombarded with responses from frustrated immigrants. Some pointed out the new processing times don't mean anything if USCIS isn't actually completing cases faster. Others emphasized that their processing time had already been delayed significantly since USCIS implemented this change. Even more claimed that this new process was less transparent and accountable than the previous way. What do you think? Is this going to help you better understand your case timeline? Will all these changes actually eliminate the case backlog? Leave me a comment and let me know. And if you want to hear more about the other changes USCIS is now making to speed up processing times and reduce the case backlog, I'll include a link to that video here. I'll also continue to bring you additional immigration news as it becomes available. So be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications if you haven't done so yet. Click here to watch this video next, and I'll see you there.